Evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity for the square root of 9x raised to the power 4 plus 1 all over x squared minus 3x plus 1. So whenever we see x approaches infinity, for this kind of basic question, we're going to be expecting to see something like this, 1 over infinity. For example, let's say 1 is just any constant. You can say 10 over infinity or 100 over infinity, whatever. Let's say 1 over infinity is always going to be equals to 0. Or let's say 1 over infinity squared is always going to be equals to 0. Let's start with the numerator. We need to ensure that the numerator will have a form like that. So let's say we have 9x raised to the power 4 plus 1. We want to make one part look like this, or infinity, or infinity squared, or infinity raised to the power 3, or infinity raised to the power 4. So let's do that here. Let's factor out x raised to the power 4 and see what we get. X raised to the power 4. 9 is going to stand alone, so 9 multiplied by x raised to the power 4 is equals to 9x raised to the power 4. And we're going to be having 1, this is going to be plus. Now, if you factor out x raised to the power 4 from 1, what are you going to be having? You're going to be having 1 over x raised to the power 4. This is because if you multiply this 2, you're going to be left with only 1. Let's try it out. You're going to be having 1 over x raised to the power 4 multiplied by x raised to the power 4. X raised to the power 4 cancels x raised to the power 4, you're left with 1 over. Now, we want to make the denominator same as well. Look for the highest power, and the highest power is x squared. So let's factor out x squared, just like we did at the numerator. If you factor out x squared, factoring out x squared, you're going to be left with only 1, because 1 multiplied by x squared is equals to x squared. It's going to be minus. Now, factoring out x squared from 3x. Let's say we have 3x. Factoring out x squared, let's divide it by x squared. X cancels this, so you're going to be left with 3 over x. So factoring out x squared as well from 1, it's just like saying 1 divided by x squared. So let's say you want to multiply 1 over x squared by x squared. 1 over x squared multiplied by x squared. So you're left with 1, which is equals to this. At the numerator, we had x raised to the power 4. So what we can do here, we can find the square root of x raised to the power 4, which is equals to, remember, square root is the same thing as saying raised to the power 1 over 2. So it's going to be x raised to the power 4 by 1 over 2, which is going to be equals to x squared. Square root of 9 plus 1 over x to the power 4. X squared cancels x squared. Will be equals to square root of 9 plus 1 over, okay, this is going to be equal to square root of 9 over 9 plus 1 over infinity raised to the power 4 over 1 minus 3 over all over 1 minus 3 over infinity plus 1 over infinity raised to the power 4. So we simply substituted infinity into wherever we saw x. So this is going to be equal to 0, this one equals to 0, this one equals to 0. So we're going to be having the square root of 9 over 1, which is going to be equal to the square root of 9. And what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is equals to 3. So this is the final answer.